My daughter's room is so cute, but there's a big window in here and in the winter it gets really cold. So I decided to do something about that. I bought this window insulation kit which comes with the plastic and double-sided tape. It's a really easy install and does a great job keeping the cold air out. Start by cleaning the window really well. You want the tape to have a good clean surface to stick to. Then start sticking the tape to the edges of the window. Keep the tape away from any painted surfaces. You want to keep the tape on the metal part of the window or else the tape will pull up the paint. Ask me how I know. Now you're ready to stick the plastic on. I like working in small sections because it helps prevent the plastic from wrinkling. This is actually a pretty large window, and because of the arch, it was a bit challenging to get everything as smooth as I would have wanted, but in the end, it all worked out. Once all the plastic is taped in place, you can cut off all the excess. I usually leave about an inch past the tape, so when I go to remove this plastic later in the year, I have enough to pull the whole thing off. The last step is using a blow dryer to smooth out all the wrinkles, and that's it. You can barely even tell there's a piece of plastic over this window. I've used these kits on several windows in my house and I love them because you can barely tell there's anything there and they really do help keep the heat inside. And that is how you install this window insulation kit. Do me a favor, if you found this helpful, go ahead and hit the like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I will be putting out more videos on simple DIYs and home renovation tips, so stay tuned for more. Bye!